Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Porsche 911 in GTA. First, you'll need to acquire the right base vehicle. The Pfister Comet is your best bet, as it closely resembles the iconic Porsche 911. You can easily purchase this car from the legendary motorsport website within the game. Make sure you have enough in-game cash, as the base model costs approximately $100,000. This is the crucial first step to building your dream car. Now that you have your Pfister Comet, head over to Los Santos Customs for some exterior modifications. Focus on details that enhance its Porsche 911 resemblance. Pick a classic paint job, perhaps a vibrant red or a sophisticated silver. Experiment with different spoilers and wheel designs to capture that distinctive 911 silhouette. These visual upgrades are key to achieving the desired aesthetic. Beyond looks, performance is vital for a true sports car experience. At Los Santos Customs, invest in engine, transmission, and brake upgrades to make your Pfister Comet handle like a dream. Don't forget to add a turbocharger for a substantial boost in speed and acceleration. Adjusting the suspension will also improve cornering and give your car a more aggressive, lower profile. These enhancements will make your custom 911 a joy to drive. With your Pfister Comet customized, it's time for the final touches. Consider adding window tints and a custom license plate to truly make it your own. Once complete, take your newly crafted Porsche 911 replica for a spin around Los Santos. Enjoy the enhanced performance and stunning looks. You've successfully created a unique vehicle that stands out, ready to impress your friends in any online session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.